What is night laser therapy? Night laser therapy is laser treatment to help reduce snoring and improve breathing and sleep. So recently I've had many patients come in and they've asked the question, so is this surgery? Is it cutting? Is it painful? Do you have to numb me? And the answer is no to all of those. Night laser is a non-invasive, non-surgical, non-pharmaceutical procedure that helps to open up the airways to improve breathing and in return improves sleep. If night laser sounds like a solution for you, give our office a call for more information or schedule a sleep assessment so that we can help you sleep better and breathe better.